Okay, so we're going to do a simple program here. We're going to monitor inputs and outputs. First thing we want to do is we're offline. I have my I/O simulator up right here, all my buttons. First thing I want to do is go to my start-stop menu that I've provided for you, this routine. We start at the main. From the main routine, I don't want that anymore. From the main routine, it's going to jump to the start-stop. And I'm going to drop in two instructions. I'm going to drop in a normally open instruction and an output OTE instruction. Next, examine if on. I'm going to pick my addresses. They are listed on your trainer. Let's start with this start button right here called left start. It lists the address right here, local:4:1.data bracket 1.1. So we're going to come over here. I can type that in if I'd like, but I would rather browse for it. So I'm going to hit my drop down and I'm going to go in here looking for it. Notice my address is at the bottom and it is 1. Notice that these are highlighted. The ones that say used, they are used as sensors in another part of the program, but you'll notice that if you're adding that, you'll see that the ones that are not darkened are unused. And so here it already has a label description for you. We're going to call left start. Next, we're going to add the output, and let's do the left red light. We're going to come over here. That is local 5 right here. We're going to come over here and do local 5, data 0, and that is terminal 2. And, oops, wrong one. That's an input block. Got off on the wrong one. My mistake. Should have been on output. We're going to come over here and we're looking for the left red light. Now we're going to download this program. And when I hit my button, I should see that come on, and the red light is coming on. Do you see the red light changing? If we look at our, I don't know if our virtual processor, SoftLogic, will update, but let's see. Not updating there. Properties, module status, info, data. Let's see what happens here. I think the outputs might work. I don't know why that doesn't update. It should, but it's a virtual deal, so I don't know. So here we've added a simple program to run and start a button. If we look here, that is data.0.2. That should correspond to my rack right here. And if I come over here, this is slot 5. And if I count down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this light should be coming on, but it's not. Let's see if we can get that light on, maybe. Yep, just not coming on. Don't know. In previous versions of this, I would actually see it light up here, but I'm not seeing that now. Maybe it takes a little bit. Sure not seeing it though. Anyway, so we looked at it for real on our other trainers, and so you kind of saw how that works. And so this is how we simply add a input and output. We also can monitor the controller tags. We can actually go down and drill down into our output data table, and I can look at this one And if I hit that button, I can actually see the binary 1 come on. Should be a output. I'm on the wrong one. Here we go. So we can monitor it through the controller tags. Notice that you'll see the 1 changing right here. It's on 2. See data.2 changing right there. And so those are 2 ways we can monitor it. We can monitor it from the main menu, and we can actually see that whenever it turns green, it is active. Green means the logic's true. So whenever you see an instruction by default turn green, that means the logic is flowing from left to right.